What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. So the first thing I have to share with you guys is a super cute 3-pack of what? Jot notebooks. You guys, Jot is definitely doing the most at Dollar Tree. I love their designs. They always pull us in with the cuteness. I love these cute little alpacas or llamas. Maybe alpacas, I don't know, but they're adorable. I love these colors. This 3-pack just makes me so happy because of the bright colors and the cuteness. I just love it so much. And next, you guys, are these cute little cactus, and I really did have my eye on these. These are in the teacher section of Dollar Tree, and you get 10 in a pack, and they're all super cute little cactus. They are pretty big. I just love how round and cute she is, or he is, and I love the prickles in the cute little face. These are so adorable. And I never did find this in my Dollar Tree. This says Lookin' Sharp, and it's kind of the smaller shopping bag. It's actually called a tote bag, but I really, really love the bright blue and the green on top of the blue with the pink, and the pots are so cute, and I love that the image is on both sides. This was sent to me by a subscriber named Lynda, and I think it's super cute. This is a full-size shopping bag. I am going to be stocked up, you guys, with my cute shopping bags. I really did need some new shopping bags. The ones that I've been using, I have been using for years, and they're kind of starting to look pathetic. But I really love how pretty and tropical this one is. I have a couple things to share with you guys that came in a letter, and I really love these stickers. Thank you so much, Lauren in Las Vegas, for sending these my way. These are cute Sticko stickers, and we get 31 pieces, all cactus or cacti. I really love them. We have the little faceted planter here. We have the different levels of the colored sand. I think they're so adorable. Lauren, thank you so much for thinking of me. And to my sweet friend Heckerdoodle, she has a channel here on YouTube, and congratulations, Heckerdoodle, to you and your family. You guys, Heckerdoodle just had a baby, and that's so awesome. And she and baby are both doing well. And you guys, I was so surprised to find this in my P.O. box. She sent me the cactus stamps. She said she wasn't sure if I had them or not, but she wanted to send them my way. So thank you so much. Yes, I do have these. But I am cherishing all cactus items because once cactus are no longer popular, I'm still going to love them, and I'm not going to be able to find them anywhere. So I love that. And then she also sent some super cute washi samples, and I love the soft pastel colors. I think they're so adorable. What I love the most is the card that she made me. Thank you so much. I love all the pieces and all the details that you added to this card. I think it is so, so adorable. I love all the washi. I love all the stickers. You really made my day sending this. I totally wasn't expecting anything like this. It really, really means a lot to me that you guys think of me and take the time to you know, send me an email or send me anything. And please don't ever feel like you guys ever have to send me anything. But, you know, when you guys do, it really, really touches my heart. And I just really appreciate everything, you guys. So thank you so much. I found one washi tape here that I thought I needed to bring home. And I actually was thinking about Heckerdoodle when I saw this. Now, I'm not sure if you have this one or not, but I'm betting you probably do because I know how much you love foxes. And this is super cute. We have foxes, lions, elephants. We have frogs. It is so cute. We have little giraffes, monkeys. This is sort of a very juvenile printed washi, and I really love the handwriting. I love the font that's used. But you know what? I just saw it. Oh, we even have an alligator. It says crocodile. This is so cute, you guys. So, so cute. I haven't found any of the new washis that are this thickness. I do have all the new thin washis thanks to a recent friend mail. However, I really haven't been seeing too many new thick washis in my store. So I just kind of fell in love with this one and had to bring it home. And this next letter came from Sherry. So Sherry, if you're watching, thank you so much for sending me this super cute Cactus Patch. She also sent me some bunny page flags. The Cactus Patch was clipped on with a Gator clip. And she sent some super cute itsy bitsy stickers. Sherry works for a company named Uli, and you guys have seen me show lots of Uli things here on my channel, and this was just such a sweet surprise. I'm betting that she probably saw the patch and then went ahead and sent me a couple other things, but I really, really love this patch because it's just pink and green, and it's just so soft. It has the soft pink flowers on the end of the cactus, and I think, let me think, you guys, I think this is my first Cactus Patch. I do have some cactus pins that I treasure, but this is my first Cactus Patch. So thank you, Sherry, so much for sending this my way. We're going to go ahead and get into some basic Dollar Tree staples that I like to get there on a regular basis. These are the Good Sense fold top sandwich bags. I like to use these for putting up meat. If I get a big thing of ground turkey, I like to put them into smaller containers. You guys know I love my LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. Is it Oxygen Orange? Yes. LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. I show this all the time. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this. However, if you haven't smelled it and if you haven't tried it, try it. It's just $1. You add it to your wash. It's good for removing stains. And ever since I started using this, I haven't stopped because I love it so much. You get 32 ounces to the tub. And you guys, it's chlorine free, but guess what? You can use this on a lot of other things. I think you can even use this in carpet cleaning machines. Yeah, carpet cleaning machines and spot removal. So if you own a carpet cleaning machine and you want to try it out instead of buying the expensive cleaner, you know, follow the directions and save yourself a whole lot of money. It says you can also use this on grout and tile cleaning, and of course you can use it in laundry. I like to start the water, take a scoop or two of this, you know, put it in the washing machine with some warm water, swish it around. Sometimes I even stick my hand in there to swish it around because, again, it is the powder. And then I turn my water back to cold and I put in my liquid laundry detergent and it's good to go. But you guys, I really, really do love this product. I got a bunch of these, you guys, and in the new Dollar Tree I go to, the manager told me they actually got another shipment of these in. So to those of you that weren't fortunate enough to find these, don't worry. Your stores will probably be getting a second shipment any day now. I usually get my pasta sauce at Dollar Tree, which I did this week. I just don't have it in here, as well as the diced tomatoes. But I got this Barilla. I got this penne rigati. It's, you know, the little tubes. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, but it looks really great. It really is the real Barilla, and it doesn't expire until June of 2019. So, you guys, I ended up getting 4 of these. I thought they looked really nice, and you definitely can't beat this price anywhere else. I actually got another thing of peanuts. I thought I only got 1, but I actually got 2. Because, as I mentioned to you guys, they are really, really good. And I wanted to share something else that came via friend mail. This is also from Lynda. She sent me this cute pink keychain, which I love. I actually got one for myself already, but I will find a good use for this one. I think it's so adorable because I love hearts, and I love pink, and I love that it's shiny, and I might just have to put 2 on a keychain and be real extra, but I think it is super cute. I wanted to pan out just a little bit for you guys to show you this next item. This is a Sassy and Chic cosmetic case, and this also came from Lynda. I think it's so cute. Thank you so much, Lynda. The bright purple is so cute with the polka dots. I love it, and it is really big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I took it out of the package and I was like, whoa, it's actually a nice medium-sized cosmetic case. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me and this Dollar Tree haul, but guess what? I have another one coming your way. So if you guys enjoyed this, please go ahead and show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.